Today we've had a delivery from the Blue Santa Claus. Let's see what we've got in here. So the new boat has been more of a racer than a cruiser, so I need to reset it to be, or I need to set it up to be in more cruising mode, and so I have turned to my favourite solar people, and that's Victron Energy. So let's have a look and see what we've got here. Start here. First up is the BMB, should I say, 712 smart battery monitor. Comes with a shunt and the display unit, same as I had in my first in LRA 1. Magnificent unit. I'll use this to monitor the house batteries. I got a circuit breaker for the solar power to come in. Just make sure that doesn't overload. A wonderful MPPT 120 solar charge controller. Magnificent, just fabulous. That's for the solar coming in for the house batteries. What should we got here? Same thing, only smaller. This is the smallest one that they do in the smart charge controllers, and this one is for the starter battery. Haven't worked out a solar panel for this one yet, but this is what is going to control that solar panel. It's just specifically for the charge, for charging the starting battery. This is a smart dongle. We'll get to this one in a minute. I don't know this one, plain box, but this is smart shunt, and this is for monitoring the starting battery. This one doesn't have a display. It's just a this one you need to use your Bluetooth on your phone. Magnificent, really, really good product. And if you don't want to have a display unit like the other one, this is the way to go. I've used these before and I find them very, very good. Still more, one big box here. I know what this one is. There we go. The Phoenix pure sine wave inverter. This is the 250 amp one, and this is the same as I had on LRA 1. Just fantastic, and that's what the smart dongle is for. They go together so I can monitor what's happening with this inverter. So thank you, Blue Santa. I look forward to installing these in the new boat. Another really exciting package that has arrived. What I've been really looking forward to is this one. It's got the big R in it. This is a little bit exciting. Let's see how we get into this one. Seems that we just open it up from there. And what we have inside here is one chart plotter. Which one have I got? It's quite heavy, heavier than I thought it was going to be. This one is just for the new boat. I got, just lift off. Just put this out on top, might be a bit easier to get up. Close it up, close that up, there we go. Oh, it's got tape on it, that's why it's difficult. That makes sense. There it is. I got the Axiom 9 Plus. This is just the multi-function display because I've already got depth sensor in the boat. I'm not interested in fish finders or anything else. So it'll run the charts off satellite. I have my Navionics subscription, my micro SD to go in there, and that's basically all I need. Really excited about this unit, and I look forward to installing it on the boat. It's you recall that I had the Element 9 in the NLRA 1. This one is a lot more substantial a unit, I have to say, and a few different mounting options, and I look forward to installing this one in the boat. Let's have a look and see what else comes in this package. As I say, it's just the multifunction display, so it's probably not a whole lot more. Just put that there for the moment. Side. Okay, panel gasket, that is for mounting. Documents enclosure. That is our cabling, various mounting pieces there, and that will get us out of trouble. So there's no transducer or anything like that. I didn't expect any of that because I didn't want any of that. I'm looking into the option of a nav pod to put that in. There is an Australian distributor, and I hope to be able to organise that. We'll see. Very exciting.